Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to prepare mutton liver pepper fry. It's going to be an easy recipe. Let's get started. Let's see the ingredients. We need 400 grams of boiled mutton liver, 100 grams of shallots, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of lime juice, curry leaves and coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and fennel seeds. Let's see the procedure. In a hot pan, add oil. Let's fry the fennel seeds and cumin seeds. Once they fried, let's add the shallots, 100 grams. Fry it in the oil until the color of the shallots gets changed. So the color of the shallots got changed. Let us add the salt as per taste. So mix it well. Let's add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Stir it continuously until the raw smell goes off. Let's add few curry leaves and fry it along with ginger garlic paste and shallots. Once the curry leaves fried, let's add mutton liver boiled. We need to boil it well in a pressure cooker up to 7-8 whistles. Let's add chili powder, coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Mix it well. Let's add lime juice. In this preparation, we are not using tomatoes, rather we are using lime juice. So as our liver is already cooked properly, we are just going to add the masala and we are going to cook it. Let us add the pepper powder, 1 teaspoon. And let's cook for another 10 minutes. We continuously stir it. The liver had stock in it, so I'm not adding extra water here. So let's add coriander leaves and mix it with the liver. Let us close it with the lid and we'll cook it for another 5 minutes. Now our mutton liver pepper fry is almost ready. So let us sprinkle some spring onions on top of it. Let us add a few coriander leaves. Now our mutton liver pepper fry is ready to serve. I have transferred it into a bowl. Please try this wonderful recipe at your home. It is an easy recipe yet a tasty one. Please subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Do not forget to click the bell icon. Thank you. Happy cooking.